is chocolate chip cookie dough, chocolate cupcakes. I don't know how to say it. They're really easy. The base of them is chocolate cupcake, and then it's just a ball of cookie dough, and then it's like a cookie dough frosting. They're really easy. They turned out great. I was really happy with them. So I hope you enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you, and enjoy. So what we're going to need for these cupcakes is 3/4 cups of hot water, 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of sugar, 1/2 cup of unsweetened cocoa, 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, 1 egg, don't ask me why it's all like that, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla, and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. We're going to start by pretty much just mixing together all the dry ingredients, the cocoa, sugar, flour, and baking soda. And then just adding in all of our wet ingredients. It's pretty basic. And just mixing together until smooth. And then just fill up your cupcake liners, not too much so you don't overfill them. And for the cookie dough filling, I just used pre-made cookie dough and use a little cantaloupe scooper to make the balls. Make sure your cookie dough is semi-frozen when you bake it so it doesn't expand too much. And just set in the center of your batter. I baked for 350 for about 20 to 25 minutes. And the recipe for the frosting will be down below because this went by way too fast. And it's very easy. Just mix it until it's all smooth. It gets smooth once it's all done being crumbly like this. And then you just add in vanilla, milk, and then flour, which seems kind of weird, but the point is to make it like a cookie dough taste, if that makes sense, without the egg. And just mix it until it's frosting texture. And then I used a 1M tip to frost, and I just made a pretty big swirl. And I just used some chocolate chips to decorate. And then I just made a little bit of some tiny chocolate chips. I hope you enjoyed, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.